Start by mashing some overripe bananas. Add those to a bowl along with 2 eggs. You're going to whisk those together before adding some melted butter and vanilla extract. Once this is whisked together, add some sourdough starter. You can also use sourdough discard for this recipe. In this video, I'm using active sourdough starter. Once this is well mixed, set this aside and add your dry ingredients to a bowl. So brown sugar, white sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. Give these a quick mix together so that they're well combined, and then add these dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. You're going to mix these together. You just want to moisten the dry ingredients here, don't overmix. Pour the batter into a well-greased loaf pan, smooth the top, and then bake your sourdough banana bread for around an hour at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, you can brush the top with some delicious golden syrup for a shiny sweet glaze. And then you can slice it open, slather it in butter and enjoy.